In 1936, a severe drought hit the Australian outback, threatening the survival of its unique wildlife. Among them, the thorny devil lizard showcased an incredible adaptation. This spiky creature could absorb water through its skin, channeling it directly to its mouth. But how did it evolve such a skill? Scientists discovered that its skin grooves acted like tiny straws, a marvel of nature's engineering. As the drought persisted, the thorny devil thrived, while other species struggled. This adaptation not only ensured its survival, but also inspired biomimicry in modern technology. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating stories.